So this is the control panel in the Swift. So at the top here you can see the internal vehicle temperature and external temperature, along with the leisure battery and vehicle battery levels. So coming down here we've got the button for the water pump. So you need to press that for taps and showers to work. We've got an awning light. We've got the lighting for the inside of the vehicle here and power. So if you select the power button, you can then see the leisure battery level, how quickly the solar panels charge in the vehicle, and then the vehicle level. So the battery always needs to stay on leisure. And then to go back to the home screen, you press the home button here. If you press the water symbol, you can see the freshwater level and wastewater levels. Along the bottom here, we have electronic wastewater dropping. So to drop the wastewater, you click the empty waste button and then click confirm. You wouldn't need to empty the fresh water. To go back to the home screen, you press the home button. And then the heating is controlled through the Truma panel, which we've shown you in another video. You may find that some of the control panels look different, however the symbols will mean the same thing.